a work trip, let's just call it that. It's to
Workation.
find, yes, workation, to find better food and nesting sites, and so that they can survive the entire year from a cold place to a warm place, from a place filled with predators to a place that gives them enough food. At the North Pole, it starts getting shorter and shorter and starts getting colder. That's when they know it's time to move from the colder regions to a warmer place. Also, the temperature that changes. So that's also a cue for them to tell them that, it's time for you to leave your place and move to another one. Sometimes they have to travel for thousands of kilometers at a stretch. They
Right.
can't
Yeah.
stop if they're crossing an ocean. They can't stop anywhere. So they have to fatten up. They have to eat enough food, store enough fat in their body so that that can sustain them for a long time when they're flying. They use the
Okay.
Earth's magnetic field to know where the north is. The birds, if they're traveling in the day, they use the position of the sun to know where the north or the south is. If they're traveling in the night, they have the entire constellation set for them to help them, turn their directions.
Hmm.
And at times, they also use the senses, like they know a place's smell. There are
Right.
some birds whose parents accompany them on their first journey,
Okay.
but most of the birds already know the route in their brain. Himalayan Monal, it spends its summer on the top of the hills, and when it gets too cold, it just travels down to the foothills. So that's altitudinal migration. It comes down and it can just simply walk down. It's a matter of 2,000 meters. So there's a north-south migration, which breed way up in the Arctic and come down south to us. And then there's other types of migration where ones breeding in the east go to west, or the other way around. We
Right.
provide them a safe habitat when they're traveling, let's say from Russia or Central Asia all the way to Australia or somewhere in South Asia. They can stop here for some time, fuel up, put on a little more fat, and then continue with their journey. And that's the passage migration.